Hello guys, welcome back. Today is time for an oil change, and you might be asking yourself, did he change it all before? No, never. I've been driving since I'm 17, so I'm almost 40 now, but I never changed the oil in a car. So I thought, why not? Why van life cannot be the first time? So I saw these videos on the internet, but it turns out that because this is too old, it's 1997, there's not much information. But also it's quite easy because it's an old car. So there are two things you need to do. One is just unscrew the nut that is on the back part, so the oil will go here. It's 9.5 liters in this Sprinter 1997, and then you have to change the oil filter, which I already bought. So you have to unscrew something here and put it back. So let's see what happened. Okay, so here's the lower part, and then there you see the nut, exactly there. It's not really easy to access. Number of the wrench is 24, so it's gonna be this wrench. It's just and 24. Pretty heavy. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. How come it's inside? Okay, so the nut is very hard. Okay, so I got it. But I needed to rub like from a very up position and make a stronger force down like that. You see it's moving. Okay, so I'm gonna move the van again to the plain position and continue. Well, back to business. I still unscrew the nut on the bottom. At first I'll put apart this oil filter that is here, and I need to replace it with this one. Supposedly it's the one that it will fit, but I still don't know. Before emptying all the oil, I'll try to see if it's the one that works. So far what I read, you need to change both at the same time. You cannot change just the oil and then the filter, because it's not worth it. So yeah, filter and oil at the same time. So this one comes off easy. Wore some gloves, right? It's not stuck, it's a little bit heavy. There it is. Whoop. Okay, just force. So this is the part from the car, and this is the filter. Okay, so it's an O-ring here. Well, yeah, it looks the same, different. Well, it looks very different, to be honest. Okay, so I'm not sure if I use the manual parts, just send the spreadsheet to the shop, and they told me, yeah, this is the one, but it's not exactly the same, so I don't really know. I don't know what's the name in English, but this is the thing that you press. Ooh, shit. On the filter. Okay, so you need to change these O-rings. There are 3 O-rings. So one is the bigger one, which is here. So I'm gonna take this off. Put the new one. So, first one. Yeah, it is much tighter than the other one. Okay, perfect. And then you have 2 little ones, one here and one here, which I'm gonna have to remove at least one of these. Okay, so small one here. Out, all the small one. It's not very easy to put them through. You don't want to do this? I have no other choice. No gloves. Okay. Yeah, it looks much bigger than the other one that was in. Perfect. And another one here. Out. And a new one coming. Okay, so this is it, I guess. I also have these 2 O-rings on the package. They are metal O-rings, and I don't really see where they might fit, but maybe because this is a generic oil filter for some models. Other models do have these O-rings, metal O-rings. There are not that kind of O-rings here. Okay, so let's keep it on with the oil change. O-rings already changed. We're gonna introduce this filter again here. On the top is the part that it has like these inscriptions. On the back, nothing. So we put it. You can also put it like now here. Yeah, and now there. Yep. Cool. Now it says here max 25 nanometers of pressure. I don't know exactly what it is, so but it says like, yeah, not too tight. Yeah, tight but not too tight. So I'm gonna get this without any oil, so then if it leaks, I know that it's leaking. And if it leaks, I'll have to put it tighter. Yep. Oh. Okay. I'm unscrewing it with my hand. And theoretically you should start putting the oil out. Let's see. Yeah, baby. There it is. Cool. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so there's a good thing. No, it's not a good thing because this is too big. Okay, so I thought this was to put on the knot, but it already has another one, so it's not this one. Okay, so let's put it back in. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. So this is where the oil goes. So it's 9 liters, but I have 10. So this whole one goes completely in. And now we test that the oil is in between minimum and maximum, so it should be somewhere in the middle. Yeah, just there. Cool. Put it back in. Let's start the engine, see that all the lights are off, the oil lights, and Yeah, that's it. Okay, manual revision that everything is okay. Oil filter should be a little more tight. I don't know. I'm gonna check if it's just it leaks over there. This close and the other part. Yeah, seems that it's not leaking. Let it be running for 5 minutes and then check again. Okay, so I let it for 5 minutes running. Now I'm checking again. Well, it's in the middle, but here not exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna top up a little bit more. Again. Yes. Yeah, now it looks much better. Exactly there. Okay, so that's it, my sprinter fellows. I hope this video was useful for you. It cost me 38 euros to change the oil, doing it myself, and it was like 110 if I just took it there. So it's a very easy process. I encourage all of you to do it. Bye.